Welcome back to San Antonio Living. If you have ugly, painful varicose veins, there's no reason to live with them. You can get rid of them, and you can do it without pain. And joining us to tell us a little more, Dr. Robert Thompson is here with Veintec Varicose Vein Clinics, and then Kathy is here. She's one of his patients. Good to see you both. Thanks for coming.
Thank you.
You guys have been in San Antonio for a long time, and for people who have not heard of Veintec, tell us a little bit about what you guys do there.
Veintec's been in business for over 30 years. It's designed to be just vascular surgeons who want to interest their practice in vein procedures.
Okay.
So there are 5 of us as a part of our larger group that only do all varicose vein procedures in the office setting without going to the hospital.
Okay, so this is an easy way to take care of your varicose veins. Sometimes they're just ugly. Other times they are painful and they need to be removed because it's causing a medical problem. And that's kind of what happened with Kathy, right?
Yes,
all right, tell us your story, Kathy.
Well, in February, I ended up having blood clots in my legs, and the varicose veins had burst. This has been a problem for me. 40 years I've had it. When I was 25, I had the old style vein stripping.
I've heard
there's a lot
horror
of
stories.
There's a lot of fear out there about, you know, if you hear, you know, they cut through the inguinal nodes, they go down and they're pulling them out.
So you had that a long time ago.
25 years old, I had to have that done.
Wow.
So mine was a hereditary situation, and then afterward, and of course it causes, tore up the lymph system. I had scar tissue that he then had to deal with when this happened. And it affects your life. I spent, you know, I'm known for my long skirts because I would be covering up the varicose veins. I even had a full-length bathing suit because I'd have to wear the sarong. I could wear a bikini, but then have a sarong and, you know, to the floor.
So having this new procedure, it must have changed your life.
This was astounding to go in because I did go in with some fear. What happened is the veins burst. I had 5 blood clots when he did the ultrasound, and they break it into individual small increments. I thought at first I was going to be able to do just do this all at once like they did in the old days, but it was in the past totally debilitating. This is split into 5 to 7
treatments.
Yeah, treatments. I've already had 7, and initially we thought it was 5, and then there were other things that needed to be done. But it's half-hour, 45-minute increments.
Yeah.
He's totally calm, puts you at ease, has soft acoustic guitar playing in the surgical room. Totally puts you at ease. You can actually even watch. And the results are astounding. Mine was a medical issue. I did not go in for cosmetics.
Right.
At my age, that was not, you know, it wasn't why I was there. It was a medical issue. But the difference is astounding. The cosmetics as well.
I want to show some pictures because you can really see the difference that Kathy's talking about. These are some of your other patients who have come into Veintec, and they've got similar problems, the bulging varicose veins, and look at the results that you're able to do. It's amazing.
Yes, there.
Wow.
I mean, it's astounding.
It is. And if you've got something not quite as bad as the varicose veins, you can also work on spider veins.
Great. We can do the whole spectrum from injection sclerotherapy for the spider veins to laser therapy for the large saphenous vein, and the varicose veins can all be removed.
Okay, guys, take advantage of this right now. Don't spend another day suffering from pain or wearing pants. We've got a special offer for you. If you mention San Antonio Living, you're going to be able to take $100 off your cosmetic procedure, and that's for the first 10 callers only. So call right now and schedule that consultation. Kathy, great to meet you. Thank you for sharing your story.
I'm
glad you're up and moving. Yes, absolutely. You can find Dr. Robert Thompson at Varicose Vein at Veintec Varicose Vein Clinics here in San Antonio with 2 locations, one in the medical center, the other out in Stone Oak. They're both on your screen right there, veintec.com, and call the number on your screen, 483-8822, 483-8822 for more information. Be right back.